Imagine yourself in this cheap 2020 Gladiator Overland. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include tires, 255/70R18 BSW all-terrain, all-weather slush mats, black leather trim bucket seats included, premium wrapped IP bezel leather wrapped shift knob full-length floor console premium armrest leather wrapped park brake handle rear armrest with cup holder seat, cold weather group included, heated steering wheel heated front seats, radio, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display, quick order package 24 grams included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, LED lighting group included, daytime running lamps LED accents LED park turn lamps front LED fog lamps LED reflector headlamps LED tail lamps, trailer tow package included.